What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I was just talking and I didn't realize that I wasn't recording. But today we are going to be installing our last mod before we go, or I wouldn't really call it a mod, it's just more of an upgrade before we head over to Bimmer Invasion. And we're leaving sometime tomorrow. But yeah, so today we're going to be doing the M Performance shift knob. This is something that I've been wanting to do for a while now, but the only thing that was stopping me was that it's Alcantara and I don't have any other Alcantara on the inside. But don't worry, once we come back from Florida, we're going to be making some changes to the interior as well, and just kind of piecing some things together for when the car finally goes into the body shop, and then we can make it look nice. So here we have it. Very simple install. All you got to do is pull on this, pull it up, just watch, make sure that you don't hit your head, and then everything's going to clip in. Here we just pull it up like that, bada bing bada boom, and oh, I might have to use two hands. All right, so grab it. Oh shit. Oh yeah, see, came out, but it is on there pretty good. So now we got the good stuff. Oh yeah, this is nice. So, very straightforward install. Just go ahead and line it up. Go ahead and clip it in here. Let me clip this first. Ooh, perfect. Now we just gotta put this in. Oh, that's it. Ooh, yeah. Is it a manual if you don't do this? That's nice. Oh yeah. Here we have it. This one slid on super easy. I was expecting it to click, but it didn't click. It just kind of slid in because now I'm pulling it and it won't come out. So you have to pull it really hard. But this one was really on there. So this is just going to be the beginning of the video. Obviously, it's just the install. I'm not going to drag on this video for like 8 to 10 minutes on a simple shift knob install. But it does look good in here. Bam, wide angle. Yeah, so I like that the stitching is gray. It matches the gray up here. Pretty cool. All right, guys, well, I gotta start packing so I can head to bed somewhat early. I'm not sure exactly what time we're leaving, but we will pick up this video tomorrow. I will give you guys an update once we're somewhere on the road. Obviously, I'm not gonna record first thing in the morning, so once we're kind of a little bit halfway, then I will record and give you guys an update. We're back in Orlando, guys. So just an update on the shift knob. Super happy with it. I'm glad that I ended up getting it. Also, kind of sucks that I waited this long to get it, but now I feel like I need more Alcantara, so we'll probably do the e-brake, and then in the future we might end up doing the steering wheel. So I'm heading over to a friend's house right now to wash the car. After that, I'm gonna grab a bite to eat and then head over to the venue, so I'll pick up the camera then. just got the car cleaned up. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it, come back tomorrow. Well, I was gonna walk around, but I'd rather just save it for tomorrow. Got a nice car so far. These wheels are nice. Nice. Crazy wrap. Those headlights. Ooh, I like those fenders. Plan is blue. Good morning. We just arrived. We're an hour and a half late, but we made it. The car's inside already, so don't really gotta worry about that. I'm gonna go drop off some stuff and then go walk around for a little bit. Yeah. Better when you have me. Yeah. I like this.
You got better when you made me admit it. You said you done trusting, but you did it. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed. I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. I'm obsessed. I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. Look, how you get so good at being modest, girl, be honest. You said you done trusting these niggas, made yourself a promise. I hate to make you take it back. I've been getting paid for rap, ain't talking about the drums. When I tell you I can make it clap, had to make you wait for that. You intrigued with conversation, you be moving dolo, I'm intrigued and I'm in admiration. I can gas you up, but I don't think you need the validation. Still you looking good, natural without no operation. F my old bitch Tayin', f your old too. Younger me, he wanted street stripes, but they wasn't blue. Now I'm banking on the sweet life when I'm next to you, giving you the credit you deserve, cause it's overdue. You got better when you made me admit it. You said you done trusting, but you did it. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed. I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. I'm obsessed. I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best.
One, two, three, rev it.
Alright guys, so we are in South Carolina. We are heading back home, and we just stopped by to get gas, grab something to eat, and then we'll be back on the road, and hopefully we'll be back at home in like about 3 hours. But show was great. I didn't really record or vlog as much as I should have or wanted to, but at the same time I was enjoying the vibes. The music was, you know, pretty loud, so you can't really record because then you get copyrighted. Oh, somebody farted. Just kidding. But yeah, I saw people from last year, just caught up with them, people I hadn't seen in a while. It was a good time, always a good time in Florida, and hopefully we'll be back next year. Hopefully, I mean, there's a lot of things going on that I'll kind of have in mind, but we're just gonna test the water to see how everything goes as the year goes on, and then I'll keep you guys updated. But for now, here's the last view of the car. Damn, $49. Shit. That's all right. It's been a lot worse before. So yeah guys, once again, sorry that the video was all over the place, but do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.